Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited. I'm going to be doing a unboxing of my new airbrush system. Well, not an airbrush system, but the airbrush itself. I ordered it from iGel Beauty, and I was kind of debating whether or not I was going to get it. I wanted it, but then I was like, oh, no. But then I thought about getting to doing some press-on nails. So I kind of wanted it for that for the most part, but I will be using it on my clients as well. So I just decided to go ahead and break down and buy it, and it came in, and I'm excited to open it up and see what I have and to share it with you guys. But before I jump into that, I have a small haul from Not Polish. I've ordered some things from them before, so this is gonna be a real quick haul with them. I am excited about one of the items that I have, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with iGel. I mean, not iGel, but Not Polish. I've already opened this. So I ordered 3 things. I've already used one of them at work already. And it was just the Not Polish Gloss It. So it's that. I noticed that they changed the bottle. It used to be rounded right here, and now it's squared off, or flat, I should say. So yeah, I just ordered 2 of these. So not too much of a big thing, I guess. But this is by far my best, not my best, but my favorite top coat that I've tried. And I've tried about 4 or 5 different brands, but this one right here, this is it for me. So yeah, so you haven't tried their Gloss It No Wipe top coat, guys, give it a try. I like it. So then they finally got in their universal replacement tips. And if you're familiar with Not Polish and you bought their tips before, you know they come 500 in a case, but they never had the replacement sizes. And if you do nails quite often, you know that it's only certain sizes that you probably get the most use out of. So to be able to buy the replacements is a good thing, because you don't want to constantly keep buying a whole case over and over again just to get those particular sizes. So they come 600 tips, and they didn't have all the sizes that I needed, but for the most part they had the size 5, the 6, the 4, so I need the 3, the 4, I believe it's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, or it's either 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have to go back and check it, but they do have 3 of the sizes that I need, and I actually have an extra case at work. So for the tips that they don't currently sell the replacements for, I'll just switch those out. But I was so excited when I saw that they had these. Y'all don't know. Because I did not want to constantly be buying whole cases unnecessarily for sizes that I don't get a whole lot of use out of. So, you know, it was good to see this. So you get 4 packs of each size, and they come in this pack just like this. So they don't have them on the site where you can just buy the 5s by itself, or the 4s, or the 6. They put them all in one pack, which is pretty cool, because like I said, these are mostly the sizes that I use the most out of. And I'm assuming because they sold them like this, it's probably a universal thing that most people use these particular sizes the most. So it was refreshing to see that. So I'm excited. So hopefully they'll be getting the other 2 sizes that I need. But right now this will work. So like I said, you get 600 pieces, and you get 3 different sizes in each pack. It's you get 4 packs of each. So that's what, 200 of each one. So I'm excited about that. So that's it for that. Now on to the main focus, which is my airbrush. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox that with you guys on camera. Okay, I was just trying to make sure that there's no invoice with my information on there. And it is at the bottom, so I'm just gonna lift this out and move this out the way. So it's the mini, as you can see, and it's cordless, rechargeable airbrush system. That's what it looks like. And it comes in this white matte box. Okay. Oh, I was trying to slide it out and it it has a magnetic flap, so you just pull it up. Ooh, I'm so excited. I've been holding on to this package for a couple days because I wanted to open it up with you guys. It's normally, you know, I would have already had this open already. So it comes with this little a little pamphlet, and it kind of gives you the instructions and how you clean it. So okay. So ta-da! I got it in black. I wanted the pink. That was the first color of my option, but they were all sold out of the pink, the white, and the black was the only one available. I think they had 3 or 4 colors, but I know for sure they had the pink and the white, and the black was the only one. So if it wasn't for the pink, I would have took the black. I wouldn't have wanted the white. So this is everything you get. You get your cord, and this is a little dropper. It's cute. And then you get the little adapter. And this is the hand piece. It has a little weight on it. It's not heavy at all. It's comfortable. And then it has their name on it. Guys, I am so excited. I cannot wait to try this out. And I will do a review on it. You guys will watch me test it out. And that is it. I don't know if you can tell on camera. You can't see it. It has like that glitter specks in it. It is so pretty and sleek. I like this. I wasn't sure if it was going to have that because I saw that it had it on the white and the pink, but I wasn't sure if it had it on the black. So I'm actually happy that it does. So this is where the handpiece, I'm assuming, will slide in. So there's nothing else in here. So I'll move that over to the side. Now, let's see. I have no idea how this is supposed to work yet because I haven't read anything or read up on it, I should say. I know there's videos out, so I will be checking out some of the videos from other people who bought the system. Okay, so I'm assuming that's the needle. Okay, so I took it out now. Oh. Okay, now I can't get this back on. Hold on a second. Okay, guys, so I got it back on, and I also attached it to the bottom base. So this is your on and off switch. So if you click 1, it's high speed. If you click 2 times, it's low speed. If you click it 3 times, it's off. So it says it has an acetone resistant body, which is good. And then this is your battery charging port. Sorry, so this is your battery charging port. And you just lift that up. And then you will plug your cord into it. So yeah, so those are all the pieces that come with it. Like I said, I will do a video on using this. I'm excited to see how well this works and if I'll be able to create ombre using this. I also want to look into seeing if I can find some airbrush stencils, and I'm gonna check that out and look on Amazon and see if I can find some. And if you guys know of any place where I can purchase some from, please leave me a comment at the bottom or a link of any places that you know of that sells them. And the few videos that I did see on this, I know people were using gel polish. So I'm gonna have to sit and watch those videos again and do some more research and see what's the ratio for them, because I didn't sit and watch like the complete video in depth. So because like I said, I was on the fence whether or not I was gonna buy this anyway. So yeah, so that's this. So that's that. I'm sorry. And it's not heavy at all. It has a nice little weight, so I don't see myself getting tired from holding it. But yeah, it's really cute. I like it. I'm glad I purchased it. So you guys stay on the lookout for a video on this. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you want to see a certain video from me with this airbrush machine, leave a comment at the bottom. And as always, I want to say thank you to all the people who subscribe to my channel, all of you guys who support me, all the nice comments that you guys leave. And I catch you guys on the next video. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed. Peace.